Hi, Austin V. This is Darlene V, your tutor mate partner. It's tutor story time again, and the story I am about to read is called The Dog Show. The Dog Show, written by Anne Hart. Ready, Pip? Abe brushed his dog's black, curly hair. Today is the city dog show. He clipped a leash to Pip's collar. Abe and Pip walked to the park where they saw many dogs and their owners. They saw a girl with straight blonde hair. Her dog's fur was straight and blonde, too. They saw a boy with brown, wavy hair. His dog's fur was brown and wavy, too. They saw a woman with red, frizzy hair. Her dog's fur was red and frizzy, too. Hi, Abe, Rudy said as she walked toward Abe and Pip. She bent down to pat Pip. Hi, Rudy. Have you noticed anything strange? He pointed at a man with short, stiff hair. His dog's hair was short and stiff, too. Rudy looked. She shrugged. I don't think so, she said. What's strange? Just then, a little dog walked by all alone. He had long curly brown ears with blue ribbons tied on. They looked like pigtails. Rudy laughed. A girl ran over to Abe and Rudy. She had long curly pigtails with blue ribbons. She looked worried. Have you seen my dog? She asked. Pip pointed at the little dog with blue bows. He's over there. Thank you, the girl ran after her dog. Now, do you see it? Abe asked Rudy. See what? Rudy said. The dogs have the same hair as their owners. Rudy looked at Abe. She looked down at Pip. You're right, she said. She pulled Abe and Pip over to a store window. Look. Abe looked at their reflection in the glass. Pip looked great. Her black curly hair was shiny. He he looked at his own hair and laughed. His black curly hair was shiny too. See, he said, the dogs do have the same hair as their owners. Okay, Austin V. The comprehension questions for this story, The Dog Show, are number one, what color hair does Abe have? Number two, where does this story take place? Number three, what is Abe's dog's name? Number four, where is the dog show? Now, don't hesitate to go back and reread the story to get the answers to the questions. Take your time, but practice your comprehension questions and also practice your sight words. Enjoy the story and have a good day.